I did scenario one about the advantages and disadvantages of internet-based learning, and I'm a primary school teacher, so I'm going off of basically that. The disadvantage I have for that is that I feel like being so young, children do need to interact with their peers and be able to know how to collaborate with their friends, how to share, how to have I statements if there's a problem. And so I think having that social interaction would be really the only disadvantage when it comes to online schooling. One thing that I did find, which was really cool, is, and I'll put it on my video discussion, the link, is the link to challenge-based learning. And challenge-based learning was really profound. They have an actual group of community of kids that really will find a problem, a real world problem, and literally start from scratch using graphic organizers, plans, guiding questions, and these kids in Melbourne have looked at natural disasters like tsunamis and floods that happened in about 2011, and they actually had plans and got into groups and learned how to raise money. We had kids that a flood happened in a school, so kids got together and said, give me your free, books to donate to the school. Pet supplies were donated. They called RSPCA and asked if it was okay to give them all these donations that they had found. There was concerts that kids put on that raised money for these natural disasters. And these kids also interviewed and wanted to know how their community, how they could help the community, even though they've been giving so much, but to know how their community is coping. And this was just such a really cool internet base that you were still in school, but you got together and you worked on iPads and used technology in order for to solve these real world problems from scratch. And I hope that you check it out, because I thought it was such a cool program, and I'd love to have that kind of program in my school. So the disadvantage, once again, would just be the fact that I worry about social interaction at such a young age. But the advantage is that there can be a lot of support, and it can be rigorous and have real world applications. So thank you.